One thing I would like to mention about particle analysis is when we look at the result, you can see that I have a whole list of different parameters or measurements for each element, but when you do it, you may see only 1 or 2 or 3 measurements. The reason is that before you do analysis, you need to set up the measurements. You can see that there are like 20 different measurements, and because I want to see everything, I clicked everything. But we don't have to do that. Well, it doesn't do any harm if we select everything. But make sure that before you do any analysis, you select the measurement you are interested in. And then when you do the analyze, it will show everything. If you just select 2, it will give you 2. And about the area of interest, this is ROI manager, which means it's region of interest. And if you click on one area, there is a yellow halo showing up. That means this is what you're interested in, and you can click on the following. It'll highlight each one by one. And theoretically, we can export each region as a single image, but we need a few more steps to do that, and I'm still looking at it. I may be able to give you an answer in the coming week, but I really need to work on that. And if you can help me to figure it out, that would be great. Yeah, that's what I want to add. Thanks.